And then just do the other side like that, just to touch through. And that's one done. I'm just going to do the second one here. So that's that one done. Again, I'm going to change the gloves.
Looking at that now, how long would you need to leave a bird to go cold to pluck, or would you need to pluck them to be warm?
Well, they actually say if you were doing poultry, as soon as the bird was killed, you'd actually pluck it. But it seems to be different with game birds. It seems that you let them hang for a couple of days and then you go on it afterwards. Yeah, it's coming off very, very fast. So now just fire this off. There's a lovely little smell coming there. Meanwhile,
the red wine for us and the bird?
The red wine is for both of us. We'll be having a drink of that. I'm just going to add a little bit of stock to this. This is stock from the pheasant.
I'll be over with that.
Now, how are we getting on? Yeah, we're doing a great job there. That's coming on nicely now.
You hardly beat that 8 minutes, Gerry.
Well, you're getting there. Let's just turn around here. Let's have a little look. Yeah, they're coming on. Actually, it's coming to a little bit of an untidy state here because you've got the feathers on. So what I'm going to do is I'll take this little knife here just to make it a little bit more easier for you. Try to cut that one off.
Is there much pheasants around here where you live here? There's a lot, Paddy, yeah, lots of cocks.
And I believe that's what you're not allowed to actually hunt the hens, are you?
The hen pheasants preserved, yeah.
You just hold the legs there for me.
They're a beautiful colour.
They're lovely.
Very colourful bird, aren't they?
I believe they originated in China.
China?
I believe so. Now, back to the turkey, to the pheasant. We've got it just here.
Do you want me to move that breadcrumb here?
Yeah, if you put that underneath, that would be great, yeah? Now, again, more gloves.
I see we have rashers out here.
We have rashers there, and I'm going to using them in the next 2 seconds. So we'll take the old breasts off. Okay. Just making a little cut there. And then on this side here.
What's the idea of the cut there, Joe?
Well, I'm going to put a little bit of stuffing into that, which I've just got here. Now, if you just get me that tray just there, do you see the tray there?
This one here?
That's the one. Now, all I have here is couscous that was soaked with pheasant stock. Now, I'll just put that down. If you put the tray there.
Paper on this.
Yeah, that was it. Just to make the washing up easier. That's basically all there is to that. A little bit of rasher. The reason I'm putting the rasher on is just to protect the pheasant. Just be like that. And we've got a second one here. Just round like that nicely. And then we're just going to put this in the oven. That, and with these ones,
they look nice with breadcrumb as well.
They're nice. They're just going to be lightly roasted with the seasoned crumbs, and we're going to put them into the oven. So that's basically how quick it can be. Once you've taken the breasts off the bone, and once you've boned out the legs, very, very simple. I mean, 4 minutes and we're there.
Was that a medium-sized bird or a small?
That was really, actually, that was a medium-sized bird.